What's better than one Mercury Verado 300? How about two? Brian with Nichols Marine down here at Norman, looking at my brand new 2024 Bennington 27 QX. We got exterior lighting, all RGB. Boat's coming on a custom triple axle trailer. This is a 27 footer. It is big. The interior is full Simtex, diamond stitching and pillow top. It is optioned with the sport interior package. RGB speaker lighting, RGB toe kick lighting, movable cup holders, full windshield. At the helm, we've got a big Simrad with engine monitor and GPS. This boat does have a joystick, so it does come with Mercury Skyhook. Fastback rear seating. Nice centered lily pad style ladder. Aft stereo remote and rear facing speakers. Power cladded tower. Boat's $259 here at Nichols Marine. Come check us out, 1700 Ann Brandon Boulevard, or visit us at nicholsmarine.com.